Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my sister Julia with me. We are going to do a little drive with us kind of video. It's gonna be like kind of random. I told her to pick out a few songs that are her favorites and we'll play those. I just thought that would be fun. And then I also put together some questions that we could answer too. Okay. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get moving. Safety first. First question. In what situation or place would you feel the most out of place in? So like, where is a place that you just feel uncomfortable, you just don't fit in? Go.
That's hard for me to answer.
She is more extroverted, very outgoing, and so she just kind of makes everywhere her place. Whereas I am more introverted. I'm not super outgoing, but I wouldn't really say that there's a place where I feel like super uncomfortable.
Yeah, me either. I'm always fine.
Yeah, I feel like I'm usually okay. Well, and I think if I know something would make me feel uncomfortable, I wouldn't be as, like, I wouldn't necessarily do it.
Yeah, you wouldn't put yourself
I wouldn't put myself in that position, but the last year, like, I feel like I've done a lot of uncomfortable things that would have been uncomfortable for me 2 years ago.
Yeah.
So I'm getting better. But yeah, I never really feel awkward anymore, so that's a plus because I am so awkward. Okay, I'm gonna play my favorite new song that I just found yesterday and I really, really like it.
I wanna know you're alright. We used to say this song made us feel some type of way.
It's R.A.C. That's all I know. Question number 2 is, what question can you ask to find out the most about a person? Yeah, that's kind of hard. I don't know what I would
what was
say.
your childhood like or something? Then you can like go off that.
Or you could ask, like, who do you surround yourself by?
Yeah, well that's what I was
That's
saying.
what you were
cut me
saying.
off.
Yeah, sorry. I think I would ask maybe like favorite music genre or song, because I feel like, well, for certain people songs say a lot about what they feel and think, so that might be one. Oh, I'm gonna play my rap song. Okay, so this is Anybody, Young Thug. This is a great workout song. I'm gonna skip to the main part though.
The school that's truancy about it. I made me some guys in the morning. I had me a back by the morning. I told him to shoot 100 rounds. I keep trying to move it
Okay,
about
next
it.
song. Okay, next. Question 3, if you can make one rule that everyone had to follow, what rule would you make?
These are very difficult.
Yeah, because they tell you a lot about what you think about the world.
One rule.
Yeah. This should be so easy.
I mean, like, be nice.
Yeah, I was gonna
But,
say
like,
everyone should
that's
have
so
to be kind
generic.
to each other. No, this world is so
life
hate-filled.
would, yeah, but then life would be so easy.
If people were nice,
Yeah, if everyone was nice.
I think it would still be hard.
That would make it harder. I don't know.
I think if people are so divided and so mean right now, that I think all we need is, you have to be kind. You have to be genuine. You have to be nice. Which should be default, but it's not. Okay. Okay, what's one of yours? Oh wait, this is my all-time favorite. It takes me back to fall semester, freshman year of college. Not even kidding. This is Agnes by Glass Animals. I love Glass Animals.
I've seen that concert. Yeah, when they came to Cincinnati.
Agnes, just stop and think a minute. Why don't you light that cigarette?
Question number 4. As you get older, what are you becoming more and more afraid of?
Growing old.
Oh my gosh, that was mine!
I've never wanted to grow old. I like the age I'm at right now.
Yeah, I like being young. Mine is more though, like, I feel like life is too short. There's not enough time to do everything.
Well, and it gets
I wanna do.
harder and harder as you get older.
Yeah, that's true.
So I don't want to get older.
Should I skip to a part?
No, just play it.
Sounds churchy.
I don't really know the lyrics yet.
Yeah, you so I'm out of it. Then that ass busting out the bottom.
I like it.
My money in it. Crazy, I'ma do the obligato. Get the rubbing on my lap. Get the chini out the bottom.
Question 5, what do you take for granted?
Where we live, like
America?
no, not America.
No.
Like I mean, like our house and like
Yeah,
parents.
the life that we have.
Yeah.
Mine was our parents. I mean, they do so much, and like, I'm only now starting to realize just how much they've done over the past 20 years. Okay, do you have another one?
Yeah, play Billy. I heard your song. You should see me in a crown.
She's so deep though. You gotta be in a good emotional place to listen to her.
This one's more upbeat.
Really?
Bite my tongue, holding my kingdom size. Fell for these ocean highs.
Oh!
You should see me in a crown.
Question 6. If you were put into solitary confinement for 6 months, what would you do to stay sane?
Oh my god.
Seriously?
Do you have anything? Like,
Yeah,
are you
I
able-
mean, yeah,
I
say
would, like,
you have resources. I mean, you're stuck in a room by yourself, but like, I guess the guards could give you stuff.
like a book. I would read.
Read. I would probably write
Well, if they give me stuff.
and work out. You could get so ripped in solitary confinement.
But the problem is they don't give you too much food, so like
Oh,
you couldn't
low
burn all those
energy.
calories. Cause that was like,
Jeez, sleep a lot.
okay, but you would go free.
Yeah,
I'd
you
go
would
crazy in a solid.
I'd have to like write or read, or I'd probably talk to myself a lot too.
Baby, I'm back. God only know. The same time in the morning, I'ma tell her that
The guy that sings My Kind of Love.
we were supposed to go to the cinema at night.
This is the last question. What bridges do you not regret burning?
Wait, what does that mean? Like,
Burning
I know,
bridges is
I
like
know.
You've gone too far, you can't come back.
but that I don't regret burning.
Yeah, like I wish I would have burned that bridge.
Wait, I'm still really confused.
I don't know if I have one, because I feel
Sure,
like
I do. But
I haven't handled everything great in my life, but for the most part, like, I feel like I've handled my conflict and I've resolved that fairly, like, well and mature and respectfully, so I don't think I've burned any bridges either.
I'm still confused by what that means.
Oh, shoot! Okay, hold on. Retake.
Generally, I wish that some of the people from my past that I would have like cut them out a lot sooner, because like they weren't good for my life or like a good influence on me.
Yeah.
So I wish I just would have like been done, but I wasn't, because like I don't know.
Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was super random, just like all over the place, but I think it'll turn out well. I think it'll be fun, and you guys will get to know a little bit more about us. So, thumbs up for more videos with her,
Adios.
because people seem to like you
Thanks.
for some reason. So,
Because I'm fun.
bye!